Endless plates of meat. That's every straw hat dream. But here's the plot twist. Prices are doubling faster than Sanji can brown a steak, and 100 berries? It feels like pocket lint. What if I told you prosperity isn't about earning millions of berries, it's about commanding every coin already jingling in your pouch. Welcome to Cosmic Currency, where anime collides with money and I, Geo Bravo, decode the economics of your favorite worlds. Grab a quill, crew. Tonight, we're stretching a single 100 berries until they squeal for a mercy. Disclaimer, I'm a storyteller, not a certified planner. Use this for education, reflection, entertainment, then chart your own course with a pro. Ready? Smash like to unfurl the mainsail. Tap subscribe to join the guild and ring that bell so the algorithm doesn't maroon you. Download your free Star Path budget map below. Engage, Star, Drive. First, we need to know what a berry really buys. In One Piece, the berry is everywhere. Paper, coin, bounty poster brag. Canon snapshots tell the story. Early East Blue meal at Party's bar, 150 berries. The same hearty lunch post-time skip in the New World, about 300 berries. Cheap pistol in Log Town, 3,000 berries. Later arcs push it to about 6,500 plus. That's a 100% price jump in roughly 10 in-universe years. Translate to Earth, a $10 lunch ballooning to $20 before your little cousin finishes middle school. Multiply that pain by rent, gas, streaming fees, surprise vet visits. Welcome to a broken world. Our challenge: survive 30 days on 100 berries. Call it $3 to $4 per day in many Western cities without living on instant ramen alone. Let's convert that pain into numbers you can steer. Legendary navigator Nami demands a ledger before a voyage. You need one too. Convert your 100 berries worth of local currency. If lunch equals 300 berries and our challenge is 100 berries, we're living on 1/3 of a basic meal daily. Harsh? Yes. Impossible? The Straw Hats pulled it off while dodging Marines. 2. Split the pot with the Cosmic Compass. 50% essentials, food, shelter, and medicine. 30% on moral wants, your tiny sanity budget, and 20% on the future you. Savings, debt kill, emergency cola for a Coup-de-Burst. On 100 berries, that's 50 berries, 30 berries, 20 berries. Tight, but Nami liberated Kokoyashi on rougher margins. Time to board the Going Merry and spy on the crew's spending secrets. Food. Sanji slashes cost with Miss in place mastery, buying rice, legumes, and reef fish in bulk every port. Earth hack. Weekly shop. Cooking batches. Freeze portions. Data shows meal prep cuts grocery bills 35 to 45%. Maintenance. Usopp patches the Merry with scavenged timber rather than flashy new maps. Your analog, repair shoes, mend clothes, service the beater car before it coughs a $900 transmission. Energy utilities. Frankie powers 1000 Sunny on cola. Cheap, high octane, stockpiled in barrels. You hunt low cost kilowatt hours. Drop phantom power plugs. Insulate drafts. Energy vampires nibble 10% of many power bills. Luxuries. Zoro's booze, Luffy's barbecue mountains, Nami's tangerine groves. Notice they barter booze for bounty intel. Fruits for map materials. On Earth, swap graphic design for piano lessons. Trade garden tomatoes for carpool rides. Commerce without coins. Extend every berry's life expectancy. Alright. Enough eavesdropping. Grab your logbook. We're crafting your personal 100 berry playbook. 1. Track every berry's Nami style. Nami doesn't lose money. She interrogates it. Use an app, spreadsheet, or parchment with tally marks. Harvard Business Review found people who journal spendings cut impulse buys by 23%. 2. Meal prep like Sanji. 1 grocery run. 1 2-hour cook fest. 5 grab-and-go lunches. Average US, lunch out $14. Home prepared equals $4. Saving 10 berries daily equals $3,600 annually. Enough to fund a mini sea train vacation. 3. Weaponized sinking funds Frankie style. Frankie pre-builds cola reserves for emergency Coup-de-Burst escapes. You pre-build cash buckets, car insurance, holiday gifts, laptop replacement. Divide yearly totals by 12. Auto transfer monthly. When the Kraken taxman comes, you're already armed. 4. Launch a side hustle sale. Straw Hats sells story newspapers in Water 7. Host Davy Back Fight Expeditions. Earthside. Micro freelance on Fiverr. Voice act audiobooks. Flip vintage game cards. Even $50 weekly doubles your morale. 5. Cash back and points equal captured marine ships, and only if you pay your balances monthly. Treat reward cards like plundered frigates. Funnel groceries and bills through them. Redeem cash or travel points. Average discipline users net about 1 to 2% back. That's free berry. 6. Inside the guild, trade editing for illustrations. Plumbing for guitar lessons. Each barter is like discovering hidden berries between couch cushions. Drop a fire in chat if 2 or more of these tactics hit your do this week's list. Tactics loaded? But what about emergencies? Time to fuel a lifeboat. Remember when Oars Neo stomped Thriller Bark? Thousand Sunny's Coup-de-Burst launched the crew to safety because Frankie stockpiled cola. Your cola is a 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a high yield account. Start with 1 month. Feed it until it's a Kraken. Stats say about 56% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 surprise. Build this cushion and you leap into the top half of financial survivors overnight. Numbers nailed, cushion padded, but none of it sticks without mindset iron. Let's forge discipline. Zoro trains in silence. 1,000 push-ups, no bragging. Discipline is private consistency, not public hype. Daily ritual. 1. Morning ledger glance. 2-minute review of yesterday's spend. 2. Weekly crew council. 15-minute budget update with partner or friend. 3. Monthly map correction. Tweak big categories. Celebrate wins. Scientists call this behavioral gating. Small daily friction points dent large impulsive cravings by up to 40%. Why fight so hard to stretch 100 berries at all? Let's anchor this lesson to real-world stakes. Every berry you let drift is one that can't buy compound interest freedom later. Same with dollars. Skip a $5 latte daily. That's $1,825 yearly. Invested at 8%, it snowballs to $249,000 in 30 years. Enough buy your own miniature Thousand Sunny. Opportunity cost is the unseen tax on dreams. Stretching 100 berries now trains you to spot silent leaks before they drown whole decades. Captain's log nearing completion. Let's dock with final orders. If tonight's voyage turned pocket lint into treasure maps, smash subscribe. Drop a money bag in the comments and share this with a nakama lost in inflating seas. And grab your free Star Path budget map below, because a pirate without a map is just a flop sound. Question everything, dream gigantic, and stretch every bill till it sinks. I am Geo Bravo, and this was another Cosmic Currency. Until the next voyage, sail smart.